What do you cook when you're craving something a bit naughty but still want to keep it healthy and incredibly easy? Hello friends, this is Heather the Fit Up Foodie, and this Italian-inspired goulash is rich, savory, and takes just about 30 minutes. Start by putting your water on to boil for the gnocchi, and then saute the onion over medium-high heat just past the soften stage, which will take about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, add in the Italian sausage. If you're like me and have become disturbed by the flavor and texture of grocery store Italian sausage, then you will love my homemade Italian sausage recipe that I linked to within the recipe post. I used dried oregano and fresh basil, but you can use either dried or fresh herbs. If you're not a mushroom lover, you could replace them with diced zucchini or artichoke hearts. However, they really do make this dish amazing. Once your mushrooms are softened, add in the garlic and saute until fragrant, which will take about 1 to 2 minutes. At this stage, sauteing the tomato paste caramelizes the sugars and deepens the tomato flavor. In other words, it just makes this goulash taste that much more amazing. Adding in wine and broth provides moisture and flavor. However, you can use all broth or reserved pasta water. My favorite part of this dish are these remaining ingredients that add an even more incredible flavor and help to keep it on the healthier side. If you're using canned beans, just make sure to rinse and drain them well. This will help to keep the sodium level under control. It's important to note that if you're using fresh herbs, they are added towards the very end of cooking. Also, a drizzle of good quality balsamic adds in a tangy and slightly sweet flavor that helps to balance the richness of the dish. The best part of all are the soft and pillowy cooked gnocchi. Serve this dish hot with freshly grated Parmesan. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefitupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.